I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to log out of Facebook on all devices using the Facebook mobile app. Have you ever had that moment of panic where you realize you left your Facebook account logged in on a public computer, a friend's home, or just can't remember all the devices you're logged into? Well, fear no more. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of logging out of Facebook on all devices. And the best part? We're doing it all from the Facebook mobile app. This is a fantastic way to secure your account in just a few taps, especially if you're concerned about privacy or unauthorized access. Now let's walk through the steps to log out of Facebook on all devices using the Facebook mobile app. Step 1. Open the Facebook mobile app and then tap Menu at the bottom of the screen. The menu screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of the screen. The settings icon looks like a cog. The settings and privacy screen is shown. Step 3. Find the Meta Account Center section and then tap See More in Account Center. You'll land on the Meta Account Center screen. Step 4. Find the Account section and then tap Password and Security in this section. The Password and Security screen is displayed. Step 5. Find the Security Check section and then tap Where you're logged in. A list of your Meta accounts is shown. Step 6. Tap the Facebook account you want to log out of all devices for. You'll land on the Account Login Activity screen for your Facebook account. Step 7. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then tap Select Devices to log out. Step 8. Tap Select All to select all of the devices you're currently logged into Facebook on, and then tap Log Out. A menu pops up letting you know that if you continue, you'll no longer be logged into the selected devices. Step 9. Tap Log Out. You'll immediately be logged out of Facebook on all devices with the exception of the device you're currently using Facebook on. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.